Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this vghv 43-inch 4K smart LED TV with fault picture freezing along with double image for a split second. See friends, this is the display problem. The picture is clear for second, then becomes double image, again picture becomes normal. Like that it continues. As we discussed earlier, the main reason for these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside glass panel. However, the shorting is any one side of the panel, then we can repair it using a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends user luck basis. Anyway, this TV comes with LG 4K panel. Here the reason for this fault is because of VGH odd and VGH even track shorting. These both tracks are managed by the Levelshifter IC in the TCON board. In this, both tracks VGH and VGL voltage will appear simultaneously as a pulsing voltage. If VGH in VGH odd, then VGL will be in VGH even. Like that, if VGH in VGH even, the VGL will be in VGH odd. Here sometimes VGH in VGH odd will be short with VGL in VGH even, or VGL in VGH odd will be in short with VGH in VGH even. So here first we need to modify the Levelshifter IC to prevent voltages entering to the panel. So here we need to cut down the VGH odd and VGH even tracks from the Levelshifter IC so that these voltages will be absent in the VGH odd and VGH even test points. After cutting both tracks from Levelshifter IC, both these tracks you can notice while measuring with multimeter VGL voltage will be there. Now after that, first bypass VGH voltage to VGH odd and check the picture. If picture is okay, then do nothing. If picture is not okay, then instead of VGH odd and bypass VGH voltage with VGH even and check the picture. So here we are going to first cut down the VGH odd and VGH even tracks from the Levelshifter IC. See, now these tracks are cut down. Now we can start bypass process. So first we are going to bypass VGH voltage to VGH even test point. See friends, finally now we bypass the VGH voltage to VGH even test point. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. Now the picture is clear. Once again I repeat, this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement. And so that's it. Now the TV is repaired successfully. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.